Hi everyone! So yesterday when I went to Joann's, I went to the Hobby Lobby that is near there and I picked up a couple items. Some of them are new, so I want to share with you guys what I grabbed. This first item, didn't even know it existed in Hobby Lobby, okay? Not until I saw the little clearance sticker, and that's what caught my attention. But did anybody else know that they had like quarantine COVID washing? I had no idea. I'm like, I definitely need that in my life. Sunny and I and my mom, we still wear our masks. When we go out with my dad or my brother, they think we're crazy. But so far, knock on wood, we have not caught COVID at all. And with me taking care of some of my older family members and my mom being high risk, so is my dad, even though he should be wearing his mask, but he doesn't listen. Yeah, I'd just still rather be safe than sorry, and I would hate to ever get them sick. So I was like, I definitely need that in my life because I do. Like, I still run around with my mask on. When we go to Disneyland, our pictures, we have our mask on, so it's just gotten normal. I think I would feel weird if I went into a store and not wear it. You know what I mean? Because it's just been so normal for us already. This was another new find. I did not realize that the blue flowers were on clearance as well. So these are $1.50 a piece. So I picked those up. They did have another pack that only had 4 and they still wanted to charge me the $1.50. So I told the girl, just forget it. I would leave it because I'm like, half of them are missing. So why am I going to pay $1.50 when half of them are there? So I just left that one. And then I did pick up another set of these pink and red ones. I love these red because that's my favorite color, like a dark red. So I picked up 2 more of those, and then you could always use pink. There's so many crafty ladies that I want to do like happy mail for, birthday challenges for, and they all love pink. So even though I personally don't like pink, I can't go wrong with having pink in my stash because every lady basically loves pink that I know of in the crafty community. I got another set of these because I'm really digging these darker ones for Halloween. And then I did just pick up something from Dollar Tree yesterday. I took Sunny and I thought this would be really good for that. So I'm going to do a little video on that later. And then blue flowers, of course, for me. And then, you know, the pink can match with that. So I got that one. I got another set of this one because it was there and they had a whole bunch. So I'm like, let me just get one more. I really like how the centers are these like little seed beads, but they're not seed beads. What are they? Like micro beads. They're really pretty. So I got those. This was a new item for me as well. Oh, I didn't tell you the price. So the flowers are all $1.50 and my washi was $1.50. So these little jemmies are 99 cents and these were a new purchase for me, and look at how pretty and iridescent they are. I really love this row in particular right here for Halloween, so that would be really nice. This one gives me kind of like, you know, a brown vibe, so I was thinking like for my coffee project that I want to do one day. We have 2 rows of yellow, so bee projects, hello, right? That'd be perfect. And then white can just go with anything, but then like I said, it has that beautiful shine to them. These are just gorgeous. I think I got 2 of those, or did I only get 1? Oh, I think I only got 1. That must have been all that they had. I did get this cactus. I usually don't get cactus for myself, but Sunny wants to go out to Palm Springs. I don't know why, but he wants to. So I figured let me start picking up a couple of items for that. So 99 cents for this one. Then it has 2 little dragonflies down here as well. Let's see, I got these for 99 cents. So these are like black, and then the little rhinestones are like a dark gray. So I figured I could get these for like Halloween. So I figured I needed at least 2, right? Because if I do, boo, there goes all the O's. It leaves me with 1. So I got 2 of those, and then they only had 1 pack in purple. So I picked that up. Hopefully I can find another one at another store. And then they had, you know, the little labels, and then they'll mark the D on there. Apparently there was another one next to these, and it says that it was red, but I didn't see that one. That would be really nice to find for Christmas. But speaking of red, I did get this strip for $1.24. And again, this is my favorite color, that super dark red. Now, they count this as 2 pieces because it's 2 strips. But honestly, I would probably cut these into small strips like this way, or use it as little individual little diamond dots. I mean, why not go ahead and cut it up, and then you'll have a whole lot right here to use for Valentine's Day or for Christmas. Even if you just cut like one little strip for like a card or something, you'll still have tons left over. So I got that one. And then these were $2.24. These were more expensive, but I thought these were really, really gorgeous. So this is white little rhinestones with some dark gray. And then these give me very much like spring vibes. So these are really pretty, but again, I could use the yellow for bees. The blue could be for Christmas. I like doing blue and silver for Christmas. And then, you know, purple and pink. Oh, the purple I could use for Halloween. I like using purple for Halloween. So I got those two. Now these say that they are 47 pieces, so there's 47 strips, but again, like the other one, you know, I could just use a couple at a time or one by one and just cut those apart. So I got those little guys. And speaking of Halloween, I was able to find more of these little glow in the dark rhinestones. They do glow so good. We have a bathroom downstairs that doesn't have a window, so I put it up to the light, right, you know, like really close. And then I turned off the light, and then it glowed like immediately. Let me see if I can get it to glow. Let's test it out. Let me turn off the lights here. Oh yeah, so you can see it. So yes, they do glow beautifully. You know, it's a lot better when it's darker, but yes, they do work. So they have two different styles. They have this one, and then there's this style right here. So I got two of each of those. I found some bees. Oh, those were 74 cents. Then I got these for 74 cents. And these are some little bumblebees. Aren't these so pretty? I really, really, really love these. And I don't know if I had bought these at half off. I don't think I have these in my stash. So I got two of those for 74 cents. And let's see. Oh, I found another pack of these tiny little roses. I love these. I can't wait to put glitter on those. So 99 cents for those. There's this little heart. This one was 74 cents. I thought this would be really, really pretty for like Valentine's Day. They only had one, and I just think it's so, so pretty. Oh, that gem's kind of popping off. I'll have to glue that back down. I just thought it was really, really pretty. So I think I'm going to save this for maybe my scrapbooking, because every year I do buy stuff for Sunny, and then we always order a heart-shaped pizza. So I thought this would be really cute to do like a little layout of our little pizza and put that together. Here's some more rhinestone bumblebees. Isn't that so great that they have so many matching little items that can go together? I thought that was really, really amazing. So I picked up two of those to go with my other little bumblebee stickers right there. And you see these match very, very well. Those would go really cute together on a little project. So got those. And let's see, my last little couple of items. Of course, I found coffee in the planner section. So the planner section is on clearance. So when you go, look through the whole store, everything is on clearance. There's yarn, there's ribbon in the party section, in, you know, like the gift wrap section. There's stuff over there. In the little party section. Let's see, in the planner, paper crafting, in the stamps, in the dies, even some of the machines. There's a Sizzix Sidekick. I saw it the first day and I didn't buy it, and I regretted it. And when I went back to try to go and get it, it had already sold out. So if you see the little Sidekick thing, get it. So I did not realize that it came with dies inside. So you get the machine and dies. So if that's an amazing deal for $14.50, if you find that, snatch it up, because it's an amazing deal. I wish I would have. I didn't pay attention. I just took video of it and I just like kept going. That's the problem when I go and I do in-store videos, is I get so caught up in filming for you guys that I'm not really paying attention to the items that are there. So if it doesn't immediately catch my attention, I just overlook it. And then when I get home and I watch my own videos or look at my own pictures, I'm like, oh my gosh, why didn't I buy that? So that's the only problem with doing in-store videos for me, is, you know, I just record and just keep it going. So anyway, so yeah, the planner section, just check the whole store. There's tons of stuff. In the kids section, there's also clearance. So just walk through the whole store. There's clearance everywhere. So I found these over in the planner section for 99 cents. Now y'all know I'm a coffee fanatic, so I had to go ahead and pick those up. And then if you guys been with me for a while, y'all know that I love dinosaurs. I think they are so cool. And my family makes fun of me that I'm a T-Rex because I'm short and I got little arms and I'm always needing help to reach things. So I definitely had to snatch this guy up, and he was only 62 cents. If they had another one, I totally would have bought another one of these because I want to go to like little dinosaur parks and little museums. I have like a list of places that I want to go, so I definitely can go ahead and stock up on some of these little dino stickers and like dino paper. So love that one. And then the last little item that I got were these enamel dots. Well, they're not dots, they're like enamel shapes. And aren't they so cool? They're 99 cents. So I thought the stars would be really cool to use for like Halloween. And then, I have some hearts for Valentine's Day. Then there's some squares. Like, I could definitely use these for Halloween as well. Or even the yellow for, like, Bumblebee to go ahead and pair with those items over there. So, for 99 cents, I thought that was really, really good. If they would have had two, I definitely would have got another one. Because I can see myself definitely using these. I want to start doing Twinchies. They're 2x2 little squares. I've seen a bunch of you guys doing them, I think, on Thursdays. And they're so cute, so I want to give that a try as well. So I thought these would be really good to go along with that project as well. So that's everything that I picked up yesterday. I still have more stuff to film for you guys from another trip from last week that I will try to get to as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.